Paul. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the PNG Big Event! It's party We're going to play a game of heads or tails. Ladies and gents, right now, please choose heads or tails. So either put your hands on your bum or put your hands on your heads. We're flipping. Yeah. It's heads, all tails, please sit down. Marcus Brigstocke!
Hey, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kevin, your host and co-pilot, looking after you all night. Thank you very much, Kevin. Thank you, everybody. Best of luck with the awards, especially if you're at the back there. No, I'm kidding. To be honest, there's a lot of awards on that table, and I would say this, honestly, if you don't win something, you need to have a look at yourself. So I'm delighted, ladies and gentlemen, to present the Special Recognition Award to John Denham. I'd like to thank my mum and dad and my dwarfish. Thank you.